Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for another dose of AI disruption? Microsoft is at it again, this time injecting artificial intelligence into a place you least expect, Notepad. Yes, that humble, bare-bones text editor that's been around since Windows 1.0. But is this a welcome upgrade or the beginning of the AI takeover? Let's dive in. The big news is that Microsoft is testing an AI-powered text summarization feature in Notepad for Windows 11. This Summarize tool is currently rolling out to Windows insiders in the Canary and Dev channels who have upgraded to Notepad version 1.1.250.1.29.0. According to Microsoft, you can select text, right-click, and choose Summarize, or use the Ctrl+M shortcut to get a quick AI-generated summary. You can even adjust the summary length. Think of it like a super-powered TLDR button right in your Notepad. But that's not all. The snipping tool is also getting some love with a new Draw and Hold feature. This allows you to draw lines, arrows, rectangles, or ovals more precisely using the pen tool. No more shaky, uneven shapes. It's all about making annotations cleaner and more professional looking. So, how does this AI summarization actually work? Well, under the hood, it's leveraging large language models to condense the selected text into a shorter, more concise version. It's likely using a technique called abstractive summarization, where the AI doesn't just copy sentences from the original text, but actually understands the meaning and rephrases it. This is different from extractive summarization, which simply pulls out the most important sentences. Now, here's the catch. To use this Summarize tool, you need to be signed into your Microsoft Personal account. And if you have a Microsoft 365 Personal, Family, or Copilot Pro subscription, it's going to use your AI credits. This raises some questions about the long-term cost of using this feature and whether it will become a paid add-on in the future. Are we going to have to pay for AI-powered productivity in every application? Microsoft is also adding a recent files option to Notepad, which is a welcome addition. How many times have you accidentally closed a Notepad file and struggled to find it again? This new feature lets you quickly reopen recently closed documents directly from the Edit menu. You can also clear the list or disable the feature in settings if you're concerned about privacy. This Notepad update is part of a broader push by Microsoft to integrate generative AI into its applications. We've already seen features like Rewrite, previously known as Co-Writer, which helps you rephrase sentences, adjust the tone, and modify the length of your content. And let's not forget the character counter and spell check features that were added recently. It seems like Notepad is finally getting the attention it deserves, or maybe it's being turned into something completely different. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. Sending your text to Microsoft servers for AI processing raises some serious privacy concerns. Are they storing your data? Are they using it to train their AI models? Microsoft says they are committed to protecting your privacy, but it's important to be aware of the potential risks. This is where the ability to disable these features becomes crucial. Another concern is the accuracy and reliability of the AI summaries. AI models can sometimes hallucinate or misinterpret the text, leading to inaccurate or misleading summaries. Can you really trust an AI to accurately summarize your important notes or documents? It's always a good idea to double-check the AI's work and use your own judgment. So, what does the future hold for Notepad? Is it destined to become an AI-powered powerhouse, or will it remain a simple, bare-bones text editor? It's clear that Microsoft is betting big on AI, but it's also important to remember the original purpose of Notepad, to provide a quick and easy way to create and edit plain text files. Hopefully, Microsoft will strike a balance between adding new AI features and preserving the simplicity and usability that Notepad is known for. If you're not a fan of AI-powered Notepad, don't worry, there are plenty of alternatives. Notepad++ is a popular choice with a ton of features and customization options. VS Code is another great option, especially if you're a developer. And of course, there's always the original, pre-AI version of Notepad, which you can re-enable in Windows settings. The choice is yours. This whole situation highlights the ongoing debate about the role of AI in our lives. Some people see AI as a powerful tool that can help us be more productive and efficient. Others are worried about the potential risks, such as job displacement, privacy violations, and the spread of misinformation. It's important to have a balanced perspective and to consider both the benefits and the drawbacks of AI. To understand how this works, let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. These are the AI models that power the summarization feature. LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code, allowing them to understand and generate human-like text. They use complex algorithms, often based on the transformer architecture, to learn the relationships between words and phrases. As mentioned earlier, the summarization likely uses abstractive summarization. This is a technique where the AI doesn't just copy sentences from the original text, but actually understands the meaning and rephrases it. This is more complex than extractive summarization, which simply pulls out the most important sentences. Another key concept is tokenization. Before the AI can process the text, it needs to be broken down into smaller units called tokens. These tokens can be words, parts of words, or even individual characters. Tokenization helps the AI understand the structure and meaning of the text. For a deeper dive into the technical aspects of AI summarization, I recommend checking out the paper Attention is All You Need by Vaswani et al. This paper introduced the transformer architecture, which is the foundation for many modern LLMs. It's a bit technical, but it provides valuable insights into how these models work. On one side, proponents of AI argue that it can significantly boost productivity. Imagine being able to quickly summarize long articles or documents with a single click. This could save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. They believe that AI is a tool that can empower us to be more efficient and effective. On the other side, critics worry that AI will lead to job displacement and a decline in critical thinking skills. If we rely too much on AI to summarize information for us, will we lose the ability to read and understand complex texts on our own? They argue that AI should be used with caution and that we should not become overly dependent on it. To test the effectiveness of AI summarization, we could conduct AI/B testing. We could have one group of people summarize a text manually and another group use the AI-powered summarization tool. Then, we could compare the quality of the summaries and the time it took to create them. This would give us some concrete data on whether AI summarization is actually beneficial. Another way to gather data is through user surveys. We could ask people who have used the AI summarization tool about their experience. Did they find it helpful? Did they trust the accuracy of the summaries? What were the pros and cons of using the tool? This would give us valuable qualitative data on the user experience. So, is AI-powered Notepad a game changer or a gimmick? The answer, as always, is complicated. It has the potential to be a useful tool for boosting productivity, but it also raises some important questions about privacy, accuracy, and the role of AI in our lives. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and analysis. Thanks for watching.